Hello everyone. In today's session, we will explore the process of setting up a proxy for an Android device using Burp Suite. First, I will guide you through the installation of Burp on Windows. But if you are a Linux user, check the description for a link to another video that shows you how to install Burp on Linux. Let's kick off with the installation of Burp on a Windows machine. Visit the Burp Suite website. Download the Community Edition. And run the installation wizard for a straightforward installation. Click next, next, next. Okay, we have successfully installed Burp Suite. Before we proceed to the proxy configuration, make sure to connect both your Android device and your host machine to the same wireless network and fetch the IP address of the host machine because we will set up the proxy listener on this IP. So open your terminal and type ipconfig command to retrieve your machine IP. For Linux, you can use the fconfig command. Now let's set up the proxy listener in Burp. Open Burp. Navigate to the proxy tab. Open proxy settings and from proxy listeners, click edit and set up the listener with the host machine IP and port 8081. Now Burp is configured to serve as a proxy. Let's switch to the Android device. Go to the Wi-Fi settings. Select the same Wi-Fi network that your machine is connected to. Click Edit, Advanced, Proxy, select Manual, and enter the IP and the port that you configured in Burp Proxy Listener. Save. Now Burp Proxy can intercept the HTTP traffic from the Android device. And in order to intercept HTTPS traffic, we need to install the Burp certificate. So, in Burp, from the proxy settings window, export the certificate in their format. Save the file as Burp cert.crt. The next step, push the certificate into the download directory of your Android device using ADB. ADB push burp cert.crt to SD card download. After that, Install it as a CA certificate on your Android device. Navigate to Settings, Security, Advanced, Encryption and Credentials. Click Install a certificate, CA certificate, Install anyway, and select the Burp certificate from the downloads. Great. This step is to support the secure connection between the Android device and Burp. Now, Burp can intercept HTTPS traffic. To verify that, open Chrome and visit https google.com. You will see the traffic is passed through Burp. And that's it. We have successfully covered the process of installing and setting up Burp to proxy an Android device. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment on the video below and I will help you.